Hi, I'm Kathryn, and I love to graph linear equations. And all you need is a pencil or a pen, a straight edge, and some graph paper. Let's get started. Okay, here's our graph paper. Let's graph this equation. Y equals 2x minus 3. And actually, it's super easy because it's already in slope-intercept form. So let's put it underneath it. Y equals mx plus b. Now, what I love about this is right away, we just circle straight up, and that's my slope, which is 2. And we circle straight up, and there's my y-intercept, -3. Oh my gosh. What we're going to do next is take our straight edge, and we're going to create a graph. Okay, there's our x, and here is our y. Okay. Hopefully you remember the first thing you need to do is we need to graph the y-intercept. So let's go to -3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to put a dot. Next, what we do is we do our slope. Now remember, slope is rise over run. So we need to write this as a fraction, 2 over 1. Remember, this is rise over run. Let's do that. Put your pencil right here on the y-intercept. Now put it on the y-intercept. Don't put it anywhere else. And we're going to follow up 2 over 1. Now you only need 2 points to graph a line. But since we have so much graph paper, let's just do it again. 1, 2 over 1, 1, 2 over 1. Hey, that's pretty cool. Let's take our straight edge and draw the line. Okay, I'm going to draw my line the best I can. All right. Now we need to have an arrow at both ends because remember, the line goes to infinity. The last thing we should do is actually label it. And we're going to label it y equals 2x minus 3. You're probably wondering, well, why did you label it? We're only graphing one line right now, but eventually you'll be graphing something called systems of equations. And that will be a whole bunch of lines. So you might as well get used to labeling it now. Let's look at another one. Let's look at one that isn't in slope-intercept form first. Let's try this one. 2x minus 3y equals 9. All right. It doesn't look like y equals mx plus b, does it? No, but we can make it look like it. All we have to do is get rid of the 2x. And what I mean by getting rid of it is just putting it on the other side. We're going to add straight down. -3y equals -2x plus 9. Now you're probably wondering, why didn't I write 9 minus 2x? Remember, we need it to look like that. It's going to make our life so much easier. Now we're going to divide by -3. Every piece needs to be divided by -3. I see so many students that just make a big line and put a -3 underneath it. Don't do that. Please don't do that, because the students that do that always mess up. Okay, trust me. This is going to make your life easier. Now we're going to divide. Y equals -2 over -3x minus 3. Well, a negative over negative is a positive. So we have y equals 2/3 x minus 3. And would you look at that? It's ready. Y equals mx plus b. All we have to do is circle straight up. So m equals 2/3. We already have our rise over run. Cool. And then our y-intercept is this one right here. Let's circle it. -3. And we have everything to graph. And now let's grab our straight ruler here or my paper. Okay, go like this. And I'm gonna make my y axis. And I'm going to make my x axis. Okay. Next, graph the y-intercept. This happens to be -3 again. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now to do the slope, you have to put your pencil on the y-intercept. Trust me, it's going to make your life easier. So put your pencil on the y-intercept and then follow your slope. We're going to go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, like I said before, you only need 2 points for a line, but this is kind of fun, right? Let's do it again. We're going to go up 2 and over 3. 1, 2, 3. Cool. Let's get our straight edge here. All right. We're going to draw the line. Okay. Let's make our arrows because it does go to infinity. And then label it. Now we're going to label it the original equation. 2x minus 3y equals 9. And that's it. That's about as hard as it gets. Thanks for watching. And you know what? Subscribe. And if you like the video, why don't you like it and tell everybody else? Until next time, this is Kathryn from Math Hub Club. Thank you.